Hi. A year ago, I was exactly where many of you watching this video are right now. I kept hearing that AI is the future and that people were making money left and right using tools like ChatGPT. So I tried. I watched hours of videos, bookmarked tutorials, tested prompts, created a few samples, and then nothing happened. No clients, no income, just more confusion. And the most frustrating part was realizing that knowing about AI didn't automatically turn into money in my bank account. That's when I came across something called the AI Profit Blueprint. And instead of promising magic results or overnight success, it focused on something most AI courses completely ignore: actually building services people will pay for. Not theory, not just prompts, real systems. And that's what I want to talk about in this video. Here's the hard truth most people won't tell you. AI skills alone don't pay your bills. Businesses don't pay you because you know ChatGPT. They pay you because you solve a problem for them. The reason most people fail with AI is because they're stuck learning forever, but they never learn how to package that knowledge, price it, or sell it to real clients. The AI Profit Blueprint is built specifically to fix that gap. Inside this product, you're not just told to use AI better. You're given 10 proven income methods that already have demand. Things like children's storybooks, social media content, copywriting, digital products, market research, and simple AI-powered services businesses actually need. Each method is presented as a complete income stream, not just an idea. You see exactly what to offer, who to offer it to, and how to deliver it using AI tools that are mostly free.
What really stood out to me is how practical everything is. You get step-by-step video walkthroughs where you literally watch over the creator's shoulder. You're shown the exact prompts being used, how the services are created, how they're packaged, and most importantly, how they're priced. This is the part most courses skip, and it's the reason people never make a dollar after finishing them. Another thing I appreciate is that this isn't built for tech experts. You don't need coding skills, you don't need fancy software. You don't need prior clients or experience. If you can follow instructions and are willing to take action, you can use this. Even the free version of ChatGPT is enough to get started, which removes a huge barrier for beginners. You also get a quick start toolkit that includes ready-to-use prompts, pricing templates, client outreach scripts, and checklists. Instead of guessing what to say to a potential client or how much to charge, you're given frameworks that already work. That alone can save you months of trial and error. Now, I want to be clear about something. This is not a push-button, get-rich system. The creator is very upfront about that. Your results depend on whether you actually implement what's inside. You still have to send messages, deliver work, and show up consistently. But what this blueprint does is remove the confusion and excuses. You're no longer wondering what to do next. For the price, honestly, it's hard to beat. At $17, you're getting lifetime access, no monthly fees, and a 14-day money-back guarantee. If you go through it and don't see a clear path to making money, you can get a full refund. That makes it a very low-risk way to test whether AI-powered services are something you want to pursue. If you've been stuck watching others build AI businesses while you're still on the sidelines, this could be the push you need. The people making money with AI right now aren't smarter than you. They just stopped waiting and started implementing proven systems. If you want to check out the AI Profit Blueprint for yourself, I'll leave the link below. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.